should have brought my drink in here. I did this myself. Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello. Welcome if you are new on this season's What's in This Box. I don't know, but it sounds fun. So we're gonna open this together. No? I want to make it more pleasing. I like how bright this box looks. I know, like, all the boxes are doing the box thing, but, like, this one, the brightness, it gets me. If you're new here, this is the Walmart Beauty Box. She is seasonal. This is spring. Do you tell me? Summer. Spring? I'm going to assume spring. We're going to open this. I'm pretty sure it's spring 2026. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's spring. I know it's 2026. You know what? With these boxes, I probably should not just assume the year, because watch me be wrong. Alright, let me open this. Ooh, okay, so this is the inside. We have advertising on the inside now. Cool. Does this have anything to do with what we're getting in the box? Oh no. So we got this cute little, like, booklet, pamphlet, fold over thing, and these squiggle little awful things. I find these in my office and, like, track down the hallway into other rooms for the longest time after I'm done with this video. We'll see how this goes. But this is the box. Spring so far. Let me open her up. Oh, Spring Beauty and Bloom. It is spring. So let me there's not a whole lot. It kind of took me for surprise. There's not a whole lot. Normally there's like tons of different options all over, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things you can get, will get, might get. It's always a may get. New season, blooming beauty, meet our curation of fresh picks and soon to be faves. You usually don't get full-size items in the box, but I know Walmart's been trying to up their game and be like, look, we're gonna have full-size things, but they're not. So let's just go through and show you what we got. So the first thing on top here, we have the HASK. I think I've used this brand, but not like this. SOOTHE and tea tree oil scalp care shampoo and conditioner. This is not the full size. The full size is $7.97. I'm assuming for each shampoo and conditioner. I don't think for both, but well, I have used HASK before on my hair. I don't think my bottles look like this. I have quite a few. I love it. Very simple. Doesn't look like this though, so maybe because it says SOOTHE. Has anybody tried this? Let me know. If anybody's tried any of this, let me know. Ooh, next right here. It is the GURUNANDA teeth whitening strips. Is this a full size? That's not a full. Is this a full size? $10.47. Hot diggity dog, full size. Safe and effective whitening. I do whitening strips twice a year. Not too bad. Not right now anyway, but every so often I do. I don't really do coffee anymore, but I still love my soda, so these are a must. Sorry, it's probably really annoying. Super easy. I don't think I've tried that brand before, so that'll be cool. Thanks, Walmart. Next item. We've been getting a lot of these little fellas. This is the Gold Bond Age Renew Retinol Overnight Body and Face Lotion. The full size is $11.97. This is a baby size. We're getting a lot of lotions, like creams, lotions, moisturizers, whatever you want to call them. A lot of these kind of guys. So sit right there. You're a perfume? Huh. It is an Origin. I'm probably saying that all wrong. The word right there. Love Bloom Eau de Parfum. The full size is $19.97. Can I? I don't really have too much perfume on right now, so can I spray this? It looks really cute, and I do love orange. Oh no, that was a crinkle. I want to smell you. I think some of it might have spilled out. Ooh. We are heavy on the vanilla. It's okay. It's okay. What do I have that this smells like? Ooh, the body lotion. Oh, where is it? Do I have any in here? No. Oh, what is that body lotion I have? It's vanilla. What is it called? Salt air. I have a body wash, body spray, body lotion, like combo little set. Smells just like that. Like as soon as I smelt it, my brain switched. I was like, shower time. That is what that smells like. Cool. Never me, but cool. I mean, the vanilla one was good once upon a time. I'm currently out of my vanilla stage, so I'm trying to use it all. That's just me. Ooh, what am I doing? Give me this guy. On to the next one. Ooh! From Good Molecules. I do enjoy Good Molecules. I do. It's the Yerba Mate. How do you say that? Yerba Mate. I can't do it. I can't. I have like a horrible, like if I'm trying to speak in Spanish, horrible speech impediment. I just can't do half the word. I'm sorry. But I'll try. The Good Molecules Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. This is not the full size, right? The full size is $5.97. This might be the full size. This might be the full, because I mean, it's an eye gel. Under eye puffiness. I don't have that issue. Really? Not yet. I have some lines. Yeah, this could totally be a full size. Look at that. Because for eye gel, you need the teeniest, tiniest, for eye anything, teeniest, tiniest little dot. And then you're going to have excess left over. Believe it or not, tons. And then, I mean, we're going like in a little pathway here. The next one I do see as well. It's the NAIR Body Cream Hair Remover Soothing Aloe and Water Lily. What is up with the hair removal? I got a couple of them in some subscription boxes already. Is it coming back? This is, I don't think this is the full size. I think this is like a travel size. Free sample, not for individual sale. Full size, $5.84. That's not bad. Does it actually work though? Because I remember, I can't smell that. I can smell this. Can't smell this. I mean, it's a good thing. I remember once upon a time, so many moons ago, so many of the blue moons ago, I tried this a couple times, like many years in between each other, but a couple times. Smells like rotten eggs. Didn't really work. That sometimes burned my skin, or like irritated my skin. Is it good now, like NAIR specifically, or other brands? Because I do have a couple other ones I think I want to try, and we're going on a trip in like 2 days, so I'm like, maybe I should try it. But then like saying it out loud now, I'm like, don't mess with yourself the day before a trip, because then you're going to be taking pictures, and then I don't want to have a rash or reaction. Never mind. You're right. I'll wait. Anywho, yeah, the last item is from ROCHE-POSAY, the TOLERIANE Purifying Foaming Cleanser. The full size, 20 buckaroos, or $19.97. And this is not the full size. This is a free sample, not for sale. Cool. No. Oh. Well, that's everything. Do you have anything in the back of you? Can I just let you fall on the floor? Is that everything? Huh. Look. ROCHE-POSAY reviews. Origin. I think they're just trying to spell it differently, honestly. Yeah, this one's vanilla for sure. I wonder what the other ones smell like. Because it said, look, Love Bloom. Anywho, this, I should just be able to plop these. Oh, That's the whole box. Please don't do that anymore, Walmart. Can I plop these all back in here? I can't, because this one's really big and this one's really big. Oh, I kind of can, right? Sort of. No. How many items is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh. Man down. 7. That's it. Are we all getting the same things in our Walmart beauty boxes now? Is there any difference between all the things and us and what we're getting? Curious. I don't think I've seen other people's videos. I'm probably gonna have to go watch now. But anywho, I'm done. That's it. That was spring. Well, that's the spring Walmart beauty box for 2026. I'm gonna go now. You can go check out my other videos that I've done in the past for this box. And I'll catch you in my next video. Yeah.